This is Joe.
I'm Sunshine, and we are the Banana in Pajamas.
Okay, it's my time. It's my time for haircut. Anytime, haircut. Simple haircut lang, guys. Sa Brunos, Glorieta. And Glorieta. So, about this
Okay na naman.
nice. Is this your me time?
Yeah, it's my me time. Parang, okay.
What did you do today?
Nothing. Sit down, sleep.
No, with your hair.
Ano, roots
Color?
treatment, hair treatment, and cut.
No aura.
Watch. No aura. Next month yun.
Uy, sino yan?
Tubig siya. Grabe, si kaboses niya. Kaboses niya anak niya.
Hi, Tim and Tom. Okay, guys. Tapos na kami magpa-hair. Haircut and all. Para akong natipos, guys. Sa hair ko. Quick work lang. Bago magpasyal-pasyal. Kape-kape. Sa, ano kami? Nasa Coffee Bean. Coffee Bean Glorieta. Ito ang activity center. Walang ganap kasi weekday.
Okay guys, we're at the Mitsukoshi Mall.
So,
I know, grocery. Japanese
Inside?
grocery. Inside Mitsukoshi Mall. Okay.
do a
So we
quick
already,
one.
we already got items. But let's just go around. Oh, bigyan mo dito yan. Baka magustuhan niya. Roast chicken salad, oh. Yan, sige.
What's the green thing? What is this?
That's ano. That's ano. Green thingy.
Lamb chowder, oh, they have, oh.
I'll just make.
Oh, love, you like this?
Oh, yeah, it's okay. I'm done with my Korean cravings from the other day. Having cheese sandwich. And what's in here? Oh, Japanese goodies.
Ice cream.
Japanese ice cream. Ah, sige. Look at this, oh. Shin Ramyun. Pero stir fry.
Try, for sure.
Ayun, oh. Tom Yum flavor loves. Okay, J5. I wanna buy. Got na ceremonial grade matcha. Curry powders. And togarashi. What do you call this? Fry seasoning stuff for the kake.
For the Tres Marias.
Let's go. Pampers. Do they have Pampers now? Go to the goodies area. The goodies.
my God,
Yay,
this is
super
so good. This is
Super,
so good.
super. That's soy, no?
Ano, that's honey and soy.
Honey and soy.
This is so good, guys.
Super, super, super.
Akala ko wala dito na pala.
So, taas mo gano, mag-hoard. Mag-hoard.
I just realized that everything is...
Not everything.
Almost
Everything is in Manila. Pero a little bit more expensive, syempre.
Yeah, but
Pero wala ditong ano,
fine.
yung pagong chips.
Pagong chips like this.
No, wala nga dito. Oh, you wanna try this? Japanese version? The pagong chips. I know. It's a Japanese version of the pagong chips. Even this one also cheddar cheese.
Dito parang ito, roasted corn.
Ito roast.
Ayan o, roasted corn na. Wanna try?
I'll try one lang. Okay na.
Garlic snack.
Bigay mo dito. Tito, chips mo. Bigay mo kay Tito chips. Para makatikim naman siya. He wants ano. Iba stuff. Iba-ibang stuff.
Ito o.
Yung mga ito. You bought for dito?
Yeah.
Bakit you bought yung Maloy's water?
Wala eh, wala dito eh. Pero flavor. It's the first time to try this.
The black
It's a
corn.
black corn. Today, huh?
Second part of the video
Okay. This is our grocery haul.
from
Michikoshi Fresh.
Yes. In
BGC.
very good. Thank you very much.
Okay, so Magnolia Templados, chicken inasal. This is our first time to try this.
190 pesos for how many grams?
545.
Okay. 545 grams.
Neng, pakilagay sa freezer ha.
Say hi to the vlog, Neng.
Chicken inasal, Neng, try natin.
Neng, dapat dito ka. Habang nag-vlog. Para papasok mo sa freezer. Bilis!
And then, boneless bangus.
Boneless
Marinated
bangus.
pa.
Ah,
Hindi ko na presyo eh. Wala. So, I hope this is good.
dito. I'm sure that's good.
Here we go.
Very good. Sorry, can herb.
Yeah. And then,
Meron pa.
salad.
Salad. Salad time ni sir.
Salad.
Breakfast salad.
Always start your day with a salad. Fruits. Pomelo.
Pomelo fruits.
Okay. Keep refrigerated. Oh, mahal guys. 211. And then, rice cracker. Masarap to. Sobra. First time namin ito natikman sa Taiwan. Yung pala meron dito sa Philippines. So good. You should try this. Sweet corn. Okay. Yakisoba. Dalawa. So, kailangan natin bumili ng cabbage, carrots, saka chicken. Sahon. Canola oil. Kasi ubus na. Then, walang Cavendish, Neng. That's why it's lakatan only. Okay. Mochi. Mochi.
Mochi. Sir, like that.
Dessert. Then, your bilin.
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds. Ano? Garlic chips dessert. Bigay mo to pag naghanap ng merienda. Kasi may siya sa garlic, di ba? Kaya malagkit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi doon ako may galing na yun. Sabi pa ako na malagyan.
Poke. No, for stock.
Ano spaghetti?
Tinry namin to, tom yum.
Tom yum.
Instant stir-fry noodles.
Wala
Sana
siyang
masarap at sana hindi masyadong maanghang. Ang ceremonial grade na matcha powder. And then, syempre, favorite namin lagi, roasted sesame dressing. We have a Japanese
O, pamuriano mo.
sweet
Pamuriano
potato.
natin lahat.
Steam lang to, Neng, ha? Huwag nang i-bake. Steam lang.
Okay.
It's Japanese sweet potato. Nakita namin to, pa-curious kami, black corn. Luto na daw to.
No. That one is not luto.
This one is
The
not
luto
luto
is the
pala.
other one.
So, ibo-boil or steam lang to. I don't know kung
Hindi
anong
ko
lasa nito. It's a black corn. Right? From
Dole.
Dole. And then sweet corn. Ito yung luto.
Yan yung luto.
And bumili kami ng cream and corn at saka whole corn kernel. Para to sa soup na gagawin namin, yung crab and corn soup na homemade. Melon jelly, Parang siyang jelly paste, pero melon free. Meron kaming biniling orange juice, San Pellegrino, then limonata. This is our favorite. And then green tea with matcha. So try rin natin yan.
Yeah,
Milk tea.
milk tea. That's bittersweet.
Ayun, milk tea.
Bittersweet.
Ni Monica.
Monica, ni Monica.
Monica jerky. Sa Tres Marias, Suman Streets. Okay. So, subukan na natin. Okay.
Kaya pala nag-aabang, alam nilang they have to eat. Isa pa, greens, watercress.
So, magkano lahat ito?
Sa halaga,
Tandarara!
yan lang din ha.
9,660.29 pesos. Ito lahat yun. My God. So that's all, guys.
Bakit
Hope
kaya
you enjoy
mahal
it.
ang bilihin?
Kasi ang daming kurap. So,
Yeah, that's it.
I put na this one in the
Yes,
freezer.
put in the freezer na.
Freezer.
Yes. Kasi
Sit
na.
down.
strawberry salo. Let's try it.
It's a dessert sandwich.
Sa dessert
It's a
sandwich.
dessert.
Chicken. Thank you so much sa pasalubong.
Welcome so
Masarap
much.
na eh.
Yeah.
Salmon. Magugustuhan ni Tito to. I need tissue na yun. Wala nang ano.
Kasi din, sa Mitsukoshi Mall, Japanese yon na mall.
Bago yan.
Luma
Hindi,
rin
good,
yun
ha?
din.
Ano
Yung
sa ito
grocery.
isa?
Yung grocery doon, ang mga karamihan ng tinda, 90% Japanese.
items.
Kaya yan lang yung nabili namin.
Oh no.
Yung isda, na bangus, terno na lang natin yan sa ano na yung tira nating munggo.
That's good. The strawberry is really good.
Baka from Japan.
Mm-mm.
Matamis.
Mm.
Matamis?
Mm.
Mamaya, share ko. Itong salmon and cream cheese sand, normal lang. Kaya na, ginagawa natin ito sa vegan.
I wanted to eat it now. I didn't want to make it.
Ayun yung atoy.
Ay, oh,
Ayan.
atoy, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are the best, man. Tapos ka na? Ayun eh. Dessert
Tama
na.
Ah, tama na. Enough na.
Kapit.
Neng, this is not meant to be sliced. Neng, dessert.
Thank you so
Dapat dito ka, pero
much.
sabihin mo kung masarap yung net.
Yung una kong tinikman salmon, no? Then chicken.
Masarap yung salmon.
Yeah.
Chicken and egg. Masarap ka ba?
Sarap.
Sarap din.
Natural na sarap. So ito, sandwich.
Ito naman strawberry sando. Ang sando, ibig sabihin ng sando siya sandwich ring.
Ito matamis.
Oh, kasi
Sarap.
dessert naman talaga siya.
Sarap.
Sarap, no?
Sarap din.
Siya maganda yung pagka-strawberry, no? Parang important talaga. Parang Japanese strawberry.
Tama pa. Anong oras kami umalis, di ba? Anong oras kami dito?
Tanong answer natin na sila.
Anong oras at tanong?
Ito ang tao to eh. Hindi ko bigyan. Sa akin yan, hindi kayo pagkain.
Yum, yum.
Ubos siyang bida.
Kompleto yun. I-vlog natin yung gagawa kami bukas na. Yun ang ulam namin bukas.
Let's vlog that.
Oo, yan ang pinag-uusapan namin yung pagkain namin.
Bukas Wednesday, no?
Coding day. So, dito na kami. So, bukas ang lunch natin, monggo, at saka daing na bangus. Dinner natin is yung steamed spare ribs na may soft bone. Ano yun? Siguro gagawa si Grace ng soup. Na may katerno.
My turn to eat this.
Ano ba?
Sarap, no? I told you. It's really good.
Ang sarap nga.
Yum yum.
Sobra. Hala! Uy! Yung butter ko! Gagawin! Uy! Ito naman na butter!
Okay, very good na. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a nice evening. And I hope you guys enjoy. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yes.
See you on the next
one. Subscribers namin. I hope you guys like it.
Yeah.
Let us know what you guys want pa.
Yeah.
Give us ideas because we're new to this, obvious pa. But
Gulo namin, hindi kami siguro.
yeah, wala kaming synchronization. But
Pero
no, we'll
maganda,
get there.
no?
Yeah, we'll get there. Thank you so much, guys. Good night.